In this guide, I will be showing you guys how to check your Find My iPhone location history. Let's get started. First, launch your Find My app. At the bottom, you will see tabs for people and devices. Tap Devices to see all the Apple devices linked to your Apple ID. And when you select your iPhone, it will show its current and last location. This is useful for tracking a missing device, but it does not show where your phone has been in the past. To view deeper location history, close this, launch your settings. Now scroll down and navigate to the option Privacy and Security. Click on the option Location Services. Now scroll down and head over to the option System Services. Once you're in this page, scroll down. You're going to find the option Significant Location. If this feature is enabled, your iPhone records location you visit frequently for use in apps like Maps and Photos. And here, you'll see a detailed list of those significant places. You can also use the Clear History option to remove saved data or simply toggle this feature off entirely if you don't want Apple recording that information. And that's it. This is how you can easily check your Find My iPhone location history. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.